In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Instashred Instagram filter. Okay, so once you've launched up Instagram, you want to go ahead and tap on the discover option there on the menu. It's the magnifying glass icon. Tap on that. And then in the search bar, you want to search for an account called Dennis_SLL. So I'll go ahead and type that in. And then you want to go ahead and tap on the account, and then you want to go to the filters section of this person's account, which is the third option there in that little menu bar. And then you can see the shredded filter by Dennis SLL. Go ahead and tap on that, and then you'll be able to go ahead and add the filter to your camera by tapping on that little download button there next to the share button, or you can try it from this screen. And what essentially does is if you put it on somebody, it's going to make them look more shredded. And then once you have this filter on Instagram, you can download it and then use it on any other social media that you would like. So that is how you get the Instashred Instagram filter. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.